Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, and today I'll be showing you guys on how you can remove your Facebook account that you have connected to your Instagram through your PC. Just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can do so as well. First of all, just open up Instagram on your PC Google browser, and after you open up Instagram, you'll be on the home page. Now click on More, which is on the bottom left side of your screen. And now you can see these options pop up. Go on to Settings, and after the setting loads up, go on to See More in Account Center, and now you'll be on the Account Center. Here, click on Connected Experiences, and now you'll be able to see two options, that is sharing across profiles and login with accounts. Now if you have already logged in your account to Facebook, to your Instagram, click on Logging in with Accounts. And here right now, as I have not logged in any Facebook accounts to my Instagram, there are no accounts to be removed. But if you have an account that is attached to your Instagram, the account will appear here. And beside the account, on the right side, there will be three dots. If you click on it, you can see an option for remove and many more. If you click on remove account and confirm your action, you'll be able to remove your Facebook account from your Instagram account. And that's how you can disconnect your Facebook account from your Instagram account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.